how to fix Facebook feed copy link option not showing. So if you want to fix Facebook feed copy link option not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, if you have any updates, you need to update it. So tap on update from Play, tap on it, and it will start the update process. And within a few seconds or within a few minutes, it will be updated. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info of your Facebook, you need to go with storage and cache and then clear all of the cache of your Facebook. Once you've cleared your cache, you need to go back, go with permissions, and under permissions, if you've not allowed any of the permissions, you can go and allow the phone permission, the photos and videos permission. Just go and allow 2 or 3 permissions that you need. And after that, just refresh your Facebook and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.